allow yourself to settle. Feeling the gentle support beneath you. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for just a moment and then exhale slowly through your mouth. So I'm just going to do this 2 or 3 more times, just inhaling through the nose. Hold for a moment and then exhale slowly through the mouth or between your lips. With each breath, imagine the tension dissolving like mist rising from a still lake, evaporating into the air around you. Turning now your attention inwards and inside your body. Feel the natural rhythm of your breath flowing in and out like the tides of the oceans. There is no rush, no resistance, only the effortless movement of the body with the breath. Like water always finding its way forward. Imagine now the first droplets of rain falling from the sky. Each drop carrying purity, renewal, and the infinite potential of water's journey. Imagine yourself as one of these droplets, falling gently until you reach the earth beneath you. And once you feel the earth beneath you, merge with the other drops to form a small stream flowing downhill, winding through the landscape. With each breath, feel yourself flowing forward, adapting to the curves and bends of life's natural path. At times the water moves effortlessly, gliding over smooth, polished stones. Other times you meet obstacles, yet you do not resist. You move around, over, or through, always continuing on your journey. Now feeling yourself becoming part of a powerful river. The current strengthens, carving through rock, shaping mountains over time. You are this strength. You are this persistence. No force can stop the flow of your life. Notice how the river's flow changes. Calm pools give way to rushing rapids. The water does not fight. It does not cling to the stillness or fear the turbulence. It simply moves forward with the path of least resistance. Ask yourself, where in your life are you resisting the natural current of life? Where can you surrender and trust that you will always find your way? With each breath now feeling the river widening, opening, flowing toward something greater. You are no longer a single drop, no longer a rushing stream. You are merging into the vastness of the ocean. Here, the surface may shift with waves and tides, but beneath there is a deep stillness, a profound peace that nothing can disturb. Rest here. Feel this depth within you, unchanging, steady, and infinite. If you wish to, placing your hands over your heart and gently whispering to yourself, I am fluid. I am strong. I trust my path. I am fluid. I am strong. I trust my path. Namaste.